Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply for Doordash Healthcare Stipend. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we apply, we need to meet some requirements. So requirement number one is driving hours. You need to average at least 15 engaged hours per week over a calendar quarter. Engaged hours are defined as the time between accepting a delivery and completing it, excluding any waiting time between deliveries. Also, you must have health insurance, so you must be the primary policy holder of a qualifying health insurance plan. Plans obtained through Medicare, employer-sponsored insurance, or a spouse's employer are not eligible. Acceptable plans include those purchased through Covered California or direct from an insurance provider. Also, we must have proof of coverage. So each quarter, you need to provide proof of your health insurance coverage. This can be done by submitting a proof of coverage document from Covered California or other acceptable forms of document. Now for the stipend amount. So the stipend amount is based on the average statewide monthly premium for a Covered California bronze plan. For the 2025, the stipend amounts are: if a dasher averages 15 to 25 active hours per week, they'll receive $792. Or if a dasher averages 25 or more active hours per week, they'll receive $1,584. These amounts are subject to change annually based on the average premium costs. Now, let's talk about how to apply. So, Doordash will notify eligible drivers via email when the application window is open. It's essential to monitor your email and the Doordash app for such notifications. So, if you don't have Doordash app notifications turned on, make sure to do so. And if you believe you're eligible but haven't received an invitation, proactively reach out to Doordash support for assistance.